People in Manipur and local media are well aware of the use of sophisticated weapons in the ongoing violent conflict, in contrast to national media, which had so far been projecting the ongoing crisis as a clash between two communities using crude weapons. In recent days, national media seem to be waking up about the use of various sophisticated weapons during this crisis, following the use of drone bombing and rocket attacks by armed Kuki militants. India today has come out with a report out where it claims that weapons made within India and those originated in USA, UK, Germany, China, Myanmar and other countries are being used in Manipur crisis. India today claims that the report was released after examining dozens of videos from conflict areas and after reviewing arms and ammunition that were seized by Manipur police between June 1, 2023 and September 12, 2024. The reports pointed out the use of advanced Indian-made weapons such as the Ghatak and other foreign origin arms including the M4 carbine, an assault rifle used by all three services of the US military, the US origin AR-15 semi-automatic rifle and its successor M16, as well as the German origin 5.56 Heckler and Koch rifles. The report further pointed out the use of Chinese-made AK-56 rifles and Myanmar's MA-1, MK-3 and British origin MK-5 rifles. The India Today report also highlighted the display of high-explosive anti-tank weapons and also 80mm and 85mm shoulder-fired rocket-propelled grenades by Kuki National Front Military Council during its Raising Day ceremony at Tangjing Hills. India Today also informed about the weapon seizures, in which it showed that between January 1 and September 10, 2024, the highest number of arms recoveries, 33 incidents, was reported in Gangpokpi, followed by Imphal East and Thoubal, 25 each, Churachandpur 24, Kakching 19, and Bishnupur 14.